Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Amit Patel, and you are watching Musings with Software Engineers. If you are new to this channel, then on this channel, I share ideas, insight, tools, and tactics that can take your career from wherever it is in the software industry to an epic level of success. So, if you want to be successful in your career, then subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Let us begin. Now, I have 1 year complete, and now my salary is 25,000. Is this okay, or there is more chances to achieve more? Look at this that you are, let's say, you are a software engineer. Depending on the size of your company, there will be many other software engineers at the same level. They will have the similar skills. They will have done similar degrees. They will come from similar colleges. They will know similar things. Okay, they will do a similar job. They are doing the same project as you are doing. Okay, so within this, if you want to compete in this environment and if you want to raise your salary, then you have to become what I call is an A player. Okay, and who is an A player? And A player is a person who increases his potential. Okay, potential is the ability to have a vision. Okay, and then you work towards that vision. Okay, uh, potential, you have to have confidence that you are ready to take on opportunities that other people are saying no. Okay, so lot of engineers will say no to opportunities, and you grab those opportunities because when you grab that opportunity, your manager will think, okay, this person is ready to do whatever project is given, and they will enhance your level within the company because it is finally going to help the company. Why has the company hired you? The company has hired you to do the projects well and to serve the clients of the company. So if you can do that, okay. The second thing is the prowess, that is building your expertise. Along with programming knowledge, can you build the domain knowledge? If you are on a retail domain, develop that domain knowledge. If you are on a manufacturing domain, develop that domain knowledge. Whatever applications you are developing, develop the domain knowledge. Okay, that will build your expertise. Okay, and the third P is performance. How you perform in your project. Okay, are you delivering everything on time? Are you delivering things that you promise to your manager with the good quality of your code, that you're not leaving a lot of bugs and other things? Okay, and finally it is how do you shape your personality? How do you behave with your colleagues? How do you behave with your manager? How is your overall personality? Okay, are you a good person to work with, or are you a very frustrated person to work with? Okay, so these all things matter, which I call as A players. People who are A players are always given highest salaries, and they grow very fast in the company. And I have a program for A players which I will link in the description of this video, and you can check that program if you want to become an A player. Second thing is, don't focus too much on your salary. Okay, as soon as you have a negotiation with your manager for your salary, immediately your performance is going to drop because you will always start thinking that, okay, now what should I do? Like, I deserve better. And if your manager says no, your salary is fine, we are okay with your salary, immediately your performance will drop. So I made it a rule in my life never to discuss salary with my manager. Okay, if I don't like the salary that I'm getting, and if I'm getting a very good salary, not a 30% hike, something like 100% hike or something, then I'm ready to switch a job. Otherwise, I'm ready to work in a way that my manager will come and tell me that, Amit, you deserve a better salary than this. Take this salary, and from today you are promoted to whatever next level is there. Okay, so focus on that. Don't focus on your salary. Focus on the work you are doing, and your salary will automatically start improving. Focus 100% on the things you are delivering. because what you are delivering for this company is helping the return on investment on you for that company in front of the client. Okay, so when that return of investment is more, then company will pay you more. I will be linking my program How to Become A Players. If you are already in a job and if you are thinking of growing in your job, then this How to Become A Players will help you. Next live will be on Thursday at 9:05 and see you in the next live. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone.